Dahil gahol na sa preparasyon, hindi na sa Pilipinas gaganapin ang susunod na Miss Universe. Mag-host din kasi ang Pilipinas ng ASEAN Summit at abala rin ang DOT o Department of Tourism sa paghahanda ng gagawa ng kanilang bagong tourism ad. Nakatutok si Tina Panganiban Perez.
Hindi na matutuloy ang back-to-back hosting ng Pilipinas ng Miss Universe pageant. Yan ang kinumpirma ngayon ng mismong kalihim ng Department of Tourism habang nagsasagawa ng familiarization tour sa eksklusibong Balisin Island Club sa Quezon.
I talked to some people and they said it's too soon to do it here. We just had it last January.
Katatapos lang mag-host ng Pilipinas ng Miss Universe pageant nitong Enero. At kung tayo pa rin daw ang magiging host ng susunod na Miss U, masyado na raw magagahol ang preparasyon, lalo pat tayo rin ang host sa ASEAN Summit sa darating na Nobyembre.
We've changed our mind because we would rather that we do it next year.
Abala rin ng DOT ngayon sa paghahanap ng gagawa ng susunod itong tourism ad matapos ang kontrobersiya sa Experience the Philippines ad campaign nito. Bukas daw ang DOT na buhayin ng slogan na Wow Philippines gaya ng rekomendasyon ni dating Tourism Secretary at ngayon Senator Richard Gordon na nakaisip ng pamosong tagline noong 2002. Isasama rin daw sa bagong ad ang konsepto ng sustainable tourism kung saan pinangangalagaan ng kalikasan at binibigyan ng kabuhayan ang mga nakatira sa lugar.
The new tourism ad, we're actually opening it up to everybody. There are many who are already interested. They're telling us that they would like to bid. So, of course, we will include sustainability in the new ad.
Social sustainability and economic sustainability must maintain the integrity of the local community, must make sure that the money that's spent here stays here, doesn't go outside, must create more jobs, hire local, buy local, produce local, and so on and so forth.
We wanted it to be self-sustaining as well. Self-sustaining in such a way that whatever we eat, we produce here, it goes back into the tables which we serve. That's why we were doing it all organically. Any produce that we have, all the food that you can see is all Philippine products.
Umaasa ang DOT na may susulong din ang sustainable tourism sa buong bansa. Mula sa Balisin Island Club, Tina Panganiban Perez, nakatutok 24 oras.